Good morning vlog.
I know it's a game, I'm not gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me. It's all just a game, you think I'm gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase.
It is day one. We are leaving. It is currently 4:25 in the morning and we are catching the flight at 7:15. So it's kind of early, so ignore my appearance right now, but we're gonna go load up the van and get this show on the road. I'll take you guys with me. Can't wait. Already on. The light's probably gonna go out in a second, so let me turn up my brightness so we'll have light. But Nikki, what time is it?
It's 4:31.
Nikki, what time were we supposed to leave?
4:30.
Who's in the car?
Us.
Normally how it goes, but hopefully my dad said originally 7:4. Oops. I don't know why. Okay. Oh no!
Here, do you want me to turn on the flashlight?
Here we go! Yeah, oh! We got that good lighting. Just kidding. Now I look like a ghost. But my dad originally said let's leave at 5:15 originally. So I think he just said 4:30 to make sure that everybody else was in a car by some, or why do I keep on saying 4? Yeah, by 4:45. But we shall see. I'll keep you guys posted. Hello, Mom. Good job. You are in the car at 4:35. I'm so proud of you. How do you feel about going out west?
Huh?
How do you feel about going out west?
Excited, scared.
Why are you scared?
I don't like flying or falling off canyons.
I don't think you'll fall off a canyon.
Okay.
Yeah, me neither.
But I'm excited. And I'm happy to be spending it with my pokies and my weebles.
Aw. Hi, Nikki.
Hi.
Oh, now we're in blackness. So, yeah. Let's see if I can get it to focus. 4.
Tap on the
Alright,
screen.
let's see if Dad says anything
can't,
about
Nikki.
we're late.
Is yours not touchable?
No, it is, but
I don't think
4.
so.
Ignore the Facebook post. I was on the groups because I buy a ton of Lululemon. Fun fact. So yeah, that's fun.
I don't see that. Sorry, I probably just got like right up to your mic.
No, I don't know where the mic is. It is 4:36 and all we are missing is our father.
I see him.
Oh, he's coming.
Should we interview him?
I don't see him.
He's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I found him. Hello, Father.
Hi, Dad.
Welcome to the vlog. It is 4:37 and we are on time, guys. Kind of. We're 7 minutes late. But
That's why I said 4:30.
told you guys.
What was your goal? 4:45?
Quarter up, eh?
Okay.
Told y'all. I'm so smart.
Well, yeah, you
All
gotta
right.
give me a 15-minute
Yeah.
window.
See, my dad's so smart. Alrighty, vlog. Let's go. Hey y'all, we made it. We drove around a parking garage to try to find a parking spot, and then we came up here and we're actually closer. So we're gonna go board. We made it through the airport. I feel ridiculous with this mask on. It's kind of hot too, but at least my glasses aren't fogging. So What time is it?
6:23.
6:23, and our flight starts boarding at 6:45, so we got some time. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna get a drink.
Me too.
Alright, let's go.
You think I'm gonna play, but baby you should do whatever you need to erase me. Baby, 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 you need to erase me. Baby, baby, baby you should do whatever you need to erase me.
We're boarded and we're waiting to take off. It's 7:02, so I think we have like 13 minutes or so. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but yeah, so keep you guys posted. Hey guys, so we made it to Chicago. We have 2 more flights. And yeah, so we're gonna go get something to eat or something. And our next flight leaves at 9:10, and it is 7:48 Central Time, so that's fun. So we have like over an hour to kill in an airport. And all of the stores are closed. It's so sad. I can't go shopping. I'm so disappointed. But yeah, so we'll keep you guys posted. We just landed in Denver, and we are waiting for our McDonald's. Speaking of which, it just now got here. And now we're trying to walk. No. Is that our order?
I said this is 531. You said yes, 531. I said, are you sure? They said yeah.
Well, we just got some free food. And now we're going to our spot. I don't know. Yeah, so keep you guys posted. Alrighty, so we just landed in Bozeman, and how was the flight? How was the flight? 2 thumbs up. It is currently 1:42. I don't know what time zone we're in, but yeah, so that's fine. Now we gotta go. We're only 2 hours behind. That means we get to travel another time zone during this vacation. We gotta go find our baggage. So yeah, let's go. So we just got a rental car. Well, we're going to find a rental car. It's a mystery car. How you doing, Nikki? I can tell. So yeah, we're gonna go find it, and we'll take you guys with us.
You need to erase me.
Alrighty, y'all. We officially made it to Yellowstone Park. We're about to go through the, I don't know what you call it. We're about to get like checked in, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but
The entrance?
Yeah, we're about to go through the entrance, but like they're gonna like check our sticker thingy. So
Here's all the animals that are here.
here, I'll flip it around. You guys can see the entrance.
From Gardner down to Mammoth. Yeah, this is where the Mammoth.
We're about to go
Here's
through
all
that.
the animals we can see.
Yay! Can you see the elk?
There are no cats.
Look at the elk back there.
Wolves, bears, bison.
There's,
I don't know if you guys can see it.
okay,
Those
there's one
little
there
dots
for
in
it.
the background.
There's none here.
So, yeah. vlog. So we're at Mammoth Springs, and it looks kind of cool. Like, it looks like, honestly, it kind of looks like something that I would find at like Disney World, but you know, it's kind of surreal.
What she want to do?
She's gonna be like jumping in the water.
Oh my god!
What?
Look how big he is.
Oh, dude, look at this.
All right, we're following the rules, Kim. We're staying on the path. We're not going to jump any police barricades.
Dude, why
Anything
can't I
like
find
that.
it?
No, boys.
Update! Elk spotting! Elk spotting. It walked across the road, guys. Alright, let's go.
Chilly little one?
No.
So, Nikki, how's it going?
Great.
You're walking like that.
Oh, I'm falling like that.
So this is the view. Look how cool. Look how clear the water is. So clear and pretty. Guys, I'm so out of shape. I'm like already dead, and I've only gone up like 2 flights of steps. Whew. Work killed me the past 2 days, but how's it going, Nikki?
Great.
You dying too?
It smells a little funky.
That's not me. It's sulfur.
Look at the crater. We have all that way to go. So, we're like halfway up the mountain.
I'm great.
I'm winded.
I only waited for like a minute and then
Let's look at the view. I will insert pictures of the springs because they look really cool. But here's what they look like from up above. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's super pretty. Here, I'll see if I can zoom in. There you guys go. So pretty. I'm dying. Okay, bye guys. Hey y'all, so I had to charge my camera in the car, so I kind of vlogged on my phone, so sorry if the quality's not the best, but now we made it to our lodge, and we're waiting to get food. We went to the gift shop, but it was kind of closed, so that wasn't fun, but we saw so many cool animals, so I'll catch y'all later. So we just made it back to our cabin thingy. I will show you guys what we got to eat. So first, that's my chicken, dude. Look small
I think I was only supposed to put one type of dressing on. I put two.
That is tiny. Dad got a burger. Nikki also got a burger. And Mom got some type of salad. Oh, and I got some fried green beans. They're actually not too shabby.
You want Patrick for you?
I shall show you around our little place in a little bit. Alrighty, y'all. So we just finished eating, and we're gonna freeze tonight.
I mean, we have the heat on.
It's really cold.
Did you bring sweatpants?
No, I just brought leggings and jeans, holy jeans. I don't know why my teeth look so yellow. I swear they're not this yellow in person. Now I'm self-conscious. But I will give you guys a little tour. So we have a bed.
Crazy.
There's our door. A mirror. Little dresser thingy. We have to recycle, compost, and landfill. Our sink.
Can this be recycled?
They actually give us a hairdryer, so that's pretty nice. Then we have our shower. Oh my god, there's a mosquito. Our shower is actually pretty nice. Not too shabby. Towels. And the toilet. And some toilet paper. So, all in all, it's not too shabby. I am kind of upset though that we don't have Wi-Fi or service or anything out here, because I'm just straight up bored. Alrighty, y'all, I'm so sorry. My phone, or my camera ran out of storage, so I had to switch cards. But as I was saying, we don't have any service or Wi-Fi or anything like that, so we cannot talk to our friends. We cannot download any new apps, and I forgot to download the Canon app so I can transfer all my videos and pictures to my phone. So yeah, that's fun. And also I'm bored, so yeah, there's that too. Nikki, do you want to play cards? Maybe we'll play cards. I don't know. We'll keep you guys posted. We'll probably. Yeah, I will. But I will probably vlog in the morning, or I probably won't vlog at all the rest of the night, because we're not going to do anything. We're just going to sleep, and we have to get up early because my dad's making us be up by 8. So that's fun. And yeah, so we'll call it a night, guys. Good night.